Yeah, this is Lee again with Rocky Mountain Restoration. Look us up on Facebook, Rocky Mtn Restoration, and also at our website, rockymtnrestore.com. Here's some examples of severe hail hits when hail comes down at 4 to 5 inches, which is softball size hail. This is the type of damage you get on your roof. Why you need to call the adjuster, why you need to call us now, get this taken care of, because there's a high chance with the amount of sun getting all of the heat, the UV rays get down inside of all these hail hits and compromise your roofing system, compromise the shingle itself, fiberglass lining there, and ultimately you start getting leaks into your OSB particle board and into the attic and eventually in your home. This is what we're looking at when you're looking at softball size hail. You can see the substantial damage here. Underwriting standards for insurance companies are 5 to 10 hits per every 10 by 10 100 square foot area, and you can see here that this is a slam dunk with the hail predominantly coming from the east on this slope roof. You can also see the damage it can cause to chrome vents and other soft metals that are on top of your roof. What we also do is we check here 24/7, seeing if you have holes here in your pipe boots, because you can start leaking through your ventilation system into your home. There's a hit on the gutter there. Only one hit is needed to total out one side of the gutter. There are 2 hits down there. Hits on top of the ridge cap. Anyway, this is what you call substantial damage that needs to be assessed immediately. Call your claims department now.